Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to remove phone number from Shopify app. First of all, you can open the Shopify application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can now just simply click on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen, and here you can now tap on settings at very last, and after this you can see the option users and permission in the store settings. Tap on it, and after tapping on this you can now tap on your profile name, and after this here you can see your contact information. You can just simply remove the contact information. My contact information is not shown because I never put contact information on Shopify. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help? Drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.